Imagine a world where farming is smarter, more efficient, and sustainable. It's not just a dream, but a reality being cultivated by artificial intelligence. Satellite imagery and drone-based computer vision map fields with precision, pinpointing where water and fertilizer are needed most. Beneath the soil, Internet of Things sensors tirelessly monitor conditions, enabling targeted crop treatments. Come harvest time, autonomous machines, guided by GPS and neural networks, select only ripe fruits and vegetables with an accuracy that rivals human touch. On the livestock side, AI-powered cameras keep a vigilant eye on animal health and welfare, while machine learning predicts potential outbreaks and suggests preventative measures. This innovative blend of tech and agriculture not only preserves our precious land and livestock, but also boosts productivity, feeding more people using fewer resources. The agricultural revolution is here, and it's digitized, optimizing global food production through the power of artificial intelligence. Until next time, keep envisioning a smarter future.